Hi everyone, it's Oliver from Minerva, and in this video we will be showcasing 5 of our new wintry fabric arrivals. These fabrics are a perfect choice for a winter project aimed to keep you nice and warm in those cooler months. Of course, we will pair each fabric with a perfect pattern suggestion to give you the inspiration on your next make. We have some wonderfully warm wintry fabrics that are new arrivals here at Minerva to share with you. The first one being this textured boiled wool fabric. Now this colour is anthracite. This is a combination of 25% wool, 25% acrylic and 50% polyester. Now straight away you can already tell these large raised polka dots create such a unique texture with this wool fabric. This is a knit stretch fabric at 150 centimeters or 59.1 inches wide. Of course, this is a medium to heavyweight fabric, and you can tell just how quirky these large polka dots look on this fabric. What's more is it feels so soft and cozy on the skin. We think this fabric would be a perfect match with the Avid Seamstress coat sewing pattern. Now this pattern suggests medium to heavyweight wool fabrics, and this fabric here does have a slight stretch, making it a perfect choice and an easier option to sew with. It's a perfect choice for the Avid Seamstress coat and would look absolutely incredible as a wintry wardrobe staple. Now, keeping with the theme of polka dot wool fabrics, we have this cream wool fabric. Now, this is a textured boiled wool fabric made of a composition of 25% wool, 25% acrylic, and again, 50% polyester. This is a stretch knit fabric at 150 centimeters or 59.1 inches wide. Similar to the previous polka dot wool fabric, this is a medium to heavyweight. However, as you can see, not only do these polka dots also have a raised texture on the finished fabric, but they are slightly smaller and they come in a variation of a few different colours on this cream base. This gives such a great effect, not only far away, but the closer you get, you can really see the detail and quality of this fabric. Again, there are a few different colorways to choose from. We think this fabric would pair perfectly with the named clothing sewing pattern, the Esme cardigan. Now, this feels very soft on the skin and would be a great choice for this sewing pattern. The Esme maxi cardigan sewing pattern for named straight out, oversized and loose fitting cardigan. The length is below the knee, so you can really get the good effect of this polka dot pattern. This pattern suggests a medium to heavy weight knit fabric such as boiled wool, making this a perfect choice. All of the patterns and fabrics will be tagged down below so that you can easily find them. And remember, if you join the Minerva Craft Club, you will save 10% off all orders for 12 months. It's a great way to save money on your makes and also to support local, national and global charities. Up next, we have this brushed sweater stretch knit fabric. Now, this colour here is ochre. This is made up of 90% polyester, 8% viscose and 2% elastane, giving this a very nice stretch to this knit fabric. It has such a beautiful design of these black and white flowers on this almost gradient of an ochre yellow background. At 155 centimeters or 61 inches wide, you sure do get a lot of value for money with this fabric. It's medium weight and it's such a delightful feel and drape. We think it would go great with the Simplicity sewing pattern 8738. This mini dress tunic or top is sized for stretch knits only, meaning that this would look absolutely incredible. And moreover, it feels very lovely on the skin as well, making sure to keep you warm in these wintry months. Now, next up in our showcase of wintry fabrics is this very fun fleece back sweatshirt stretch knit fabric. Now, this colour here is green. As you can see, there are pops of blacks and white throughout, and it really gives that classic design of a wintry jumper. Now, because this fabric is fleece back, it's extremely soft on the skin, making it a perfect choice for a sweatshirt or jumper. This fabric is 100% polyester. It's a stretch knit fabric at 155 centimeters or 61 inches wide. We think this medium to heavyweight fabric would be a perfect choice for the McCall's sewing pattern 7486. Now, this men's pullover top with raglan sleeves would really show off this classic wintry design. With the choice of a contrast hood, panels or a kangaroo pocket, you can really play around with the different colourways of this fabric, making sure that there is something to suit everyone's style. What's more, a jumper in this fabric would be a perfect Christmas gift. The last fabric we have to show you in our wintry fabric new arrivals is this wadded quilted coating fabric. Now this colour here is grey, and straight away you can feel just how soft and quilted this fabric really is. With a composition of 70% cotton and 30% polyester, this is a woven non-stretch fabric. This is 130 centimetres or 51.2 inches wide, and we think that this heavyweight fabric would be a perfect match with the Grainline Studio Tamarack jacket sewing pattern. This sewing pattern is designed with the transitional season in mind, so this is a perfect choice to keep you warm. The great thing about this stylish and warm quilted coat pattern is that you can follow one of the two quilted designs in the pattern, or you can make your own, making this Tamarack jacket original to you. This fabric has wadding between two layers of this quilted coating, giving you also a variation of the black underside, but you can feel just how warm and insulating this fabric is, making it a perfect choice for any jacket or coat. This delightful fabric is very soft on the skin, and it would be a perfect addition to anyone's wardrobe. Here at Minerva, it's our passion to connect makers worldwide, so if you do use any of the products listed in this video, be sure to tag them in your posts. We love to see what you create. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and a member of the team will get back to you. This me-made t-shirt was created with the Strathcona Henley top sewing pattern by Thread Theory Designs, alongside this fabulously geometric stretch knit fabric. Of course, they will be both tagged down below so that you can easily find them. Remember, you can save this video in your favourites to come back to later should you need the help with your next project. You can always follow us here at Minerva for more videos such as this one, and until next time, thank you for watching.